Now let us see exercise 3.12 second question. Now see the question. A garden measuring 12 meter by 16 meter is to have a pedestrian pathway that is W meters wide installed all the way around so that it increases the total area to 285 meters square. What is the width of the pathway? So in this question they have given, here we have one garden, okay. So the measurements of the garden they have given, that is 12 meter by 16 meter. So the length we can take it as 16 meter and the wide we can take it as 12 meter. Okay, so then area of the garden, how we can find out? So the length and the breadth, if you multiply only, we can get it the area of the garden, we can get it. So that area of a rectangle. Okay, so length into breadth, if you multiply only, we can get it this area of the garden. After in our question they have given all the way around this garden we have a pedestrian pathway. So with W meters wide they have given. So W meters means, so here, so after here also, here, okay, we have that around this we have on pedestrian pathway we have. So this pedestrian pathway, the width of the pathway they have given, that is W. Here also that is W, this also W, here W, and this also W. Okay, so all the one that W meters wide they have given, width of the pathway they have given. So we know that this area of the garden means this length and this breadth, if you multiply only, we can get it this area of the garden. After the area is increases, so while you are making this width of the pathway, so pedestrian pathway W meters they have given, so the length and the breadth it is increases only. So now that area they have given, so increasing that area they have given, that is 285 meters square. So that means this full area. So this full area means this length and this breadth we needed. Okay, so this and this if you multiply only, that total area they have given, that is 285 meters square. So this full length how we can find out? Here we know that this is the W, this that is 16, this also W. So this full length, that is W plus 16 plus W. So 16 plus 2 times W you have. So 2 times W. So this length we have got it. Next we needed breadth also we needed. So breadth means this full length. So here you can see this much, that is 12. This means width of the pathway W meter only they have given. So this length W, this is 12, this also W. So this fully if you add it only, we can get it the breadth, this breadth we can get it. So 12 plus W plus W. So that is 12 plus 2 times W. So this is the length, this is the breadth of this full area. Okay, so that if you multiply means, that is total area they have given, that is 285 meters square they have given. So now see that solution. Given the dimension of the garden, so dimension of the garden means only this garden. Okay, so the dimension, what is it? Length and the breadth, if you multiply only the area of the garden we can get it. So we can write, given the dimension of the garden, that is 16 meter by 12 meter they have given. Here in this question they have asked to find out the W only, width of the pathway, what is it? That is the question. So now see, let W be the equal width of the pedestrian pathway. So all the sides, this here all the sides are equal width of the pathway, that is W meters only. So by the given data, so we know that the total area means this area of the garden plus the width of the pathway. So this full area they have given, that is 285 meters square they have given. So the full area means this length after this breadth, if you multiply only, we can get it, that is 285 meters square, L into breadth, L into B. Okay, so now this full length mean already we have seen, that is 16 plus 2 W. Here this breadth means, that is 12 plus 2 times W. So this is length, this is breadth. So length into breadth, the full area I am saying. Okay, so this if you multiply, that area is 285 meters square. So now we know that this is the binomial multiplication. So can you multiply 16 with the 12 after 16 with the 2W? So 16 with the 12 means, that is 192 plus 16 into 2W, that is 32W. Now multiply 2W with the 12 and then 2W with the 2W. So 2W into 12, that is 24W plus 2w into 2w, 2 2s are 4, w into w, that is w square. Now highest to lowest power you have to arrange is 4w square. So this is the like term, so you can add it. So that is 56w plus 92 is equal to 285. Now 4w square plus 56w plus 192, this this plus 285, if it transpose to this left hand side, that it will become minus 285 is equal to 0. Now 4w square plus 56w, so this is a different sign, subtract on the biggest number symbol, that equal to 0. Now we know that now we have got it one equation, so this is the quadratic equation. So we know that how to solve the quadratic equation. So using the product sum method, you can find the w value we can find out. Okay, so the product and the sum. Product means multiply the coefficient of w square and the constant term minus 93. So 4 and the minus 93, if you multiply, that is minus 372. The coefficient of w, that is the sum. So sum, that is 56 you have. So which two numbers it is possible? 62 and 6 only it is possible. After the sum, you can see here multiplication. So while we are multiplying this two number, we need to get minus 372. While we are adding, we can get it plus 56 we need to get. So biggest number symbol, that you can make it as a plus. After here the smaller number, you can put it as a minus. So while you are multiplying this two number, you can get it minus 372. While you are adding, so this one, that is a different sign, subtract on the biggest number symbol, that is 56. So the same number, while we are multiplying, we can get it this number, while we are adding, we can get it this number. So after the coefficient of w square, that is 4, so each number divided by 4. So if we divide with the 4 mean 13 will come. So after here divided by 4 mean minus 3 by 2. So the variable is w only, so w plus 13 into w minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Then we know that w plus 13 is equal to 0, or w minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So then w is equal to minus 13. So w minus 3 by 2, it will become w is equal, if you bring it to that side, that is w is equal to 3 by 2. So we know that we need to find out width of the pathway only, we need to find out w meter square. The width we will not take it as the negative number. Okay, so we can eliminate this number, we can consider this positive number. So the required number answer w is equal, w value is 3 by 2. So width of the pathway also, the fraction ways, fraction number we will not write. So if you divide means, that is 1.5 meter it will come. So that is the answer. Okay, thank you.